In this practice, you will share a drawing and inspect it in the Autodesk AutoCAD web app. You will also make some markups and modify some objects in the drawing. Open Addition-A Drawing. In the Quick Access toolbar or in the Collaboration tab, Share panel, click Share Drawing. Select Preview to open the link directly in Autodesk AutoCAD web app. The AutoCAD web app screen displays. Sign into your AutoCAD web app by signing into your free Autodesk account. The shared drawing opens the Autodesk AutoCAD web app. Closed fonts are displayed as Simplex information box. In the upper right corner of the AutoCAD web app screen, click Settings to open the Settings dialog box. Select Units and change the linear format to Architectural and Precision to 1/8 of an inch. In the Settings dialog box, select Object Snap and verify that the endpoint Object Snap is selected. Click Done to close the dialog box. In the Toolbar area, in the Annotate tab, click Measure. In the Measure command line, select Distance. Click a few different points to measure various rooms and objects to get a good idea on how they relate to one another. Let's click a few more points. Press Escape to exit the command. In the Palettes bar, click Layers. In the Layers palette, toggle off the layer Electrical. Note that the electrical elements are not displayed in the drawing. In the Palettes bar, click Properties. In the drawing window, click on one of the sliding doors of the closet. Review its properties and then press Escape to exit the selection. In the Palettes bar, click Layers. Above the layer list, click Create Layer to create a new layer. Change the name to Cloud. Select its color block and select the color magenta. Select the layer cloud to make it current. Note that it is displayed in the layer list near the top of the drawing window. In the drawing window, zoom into the area of the closet with the sliding doors. In the Toolbars area, in the Annotate tab, click Revision Cloud. Click and drag and place a cloud around the sliding doors. In the Toolbar area, in the Annotate tab, click M-Text. In the drawing window, click 2 points near the cloud to create a text box. For the height, enter a value of 3.0, and in the text box, enter the text Create a Layer slider and place those doors on that layer to place the text. In the upper right corner of the AutoCAD web app screen, click Settings to open the Settings dialog box. Select Object Snap and select the midpoint Object Snap. Click Done to close the Settings dialog box. Zoom into the lower right corner of the living room with the kitchen. Note the 2 HVAC ducts near the window. In the Toolbars area, in the Modify tab, click Move. Select the left duct near the window. Press Enter to escape the selection. Select the midpoint as a base point and move it straight to the right along the midpoint of the window. In the Toolbars area, in the Modify tab, click Rotate. Select the right duct near the window. Press Enter to accept the selection. Using the lower right corner of the base point, rotate it 90 degrees so that it is vertically orientated. Using Move, move it along the right wall. Keep the shared drawing open in the Autodesk AutoCAD web app. In your AutoCAD desktop software, close the Share a Link to this drawing dialog box. Then close Addition-A drawing without saving.